Start it.
So I'm producing a short YouTube video talking about the Hackamatics project. That's the hackathon at Speechmatics. We connected our company's transcription software to GPT-2, which is a text continuation piece of software. And we had two servers, and we wrote a custom command line program, which is fully asynchronous, which takes can you run it? Which takes audio that's been piped into our program and transcribes it live, and then produces live continuation. The continuation is produced with GPT-2, 1.5 billion parameter model. It's a 6 gigabyte model, and whether it produces a good continuation or not is quite random. So we chose to incrementally update the continuation. So during the talk, you can see lots of different continuations. We took 4 days to build this, and it's a completely asynchronous application. And we used networking, and I wrote my first web server. And Pracheta only joined on Monday, so has done quite well. And I think that's that done it. Am I missing anything?
No, I think that's
Oh yeah, and we also updated all the documentation of how to set things up. It wasn't just we built a cool project. I tried to make it more beginner friendly. Next project. We also had our project extended by a colleague of ours called John Hughes. And for this one, I'm going to plug our microphone into his Raspberry Pi. Can you get a close-up? So the idea is, John soldered up the blue circuit board, and it runs John's code. And John's code talks to our transcription service. It talks to our continuation generation service, that's GPT-2. And then John added a third neural network, which is voice synthesis. It tries to take the voice that you started with and read out the continuation in the voice that was used originally. So hopefully it should continue and sound a bit like me. It's not been trained for my voice in particular. I'm just there's no pre-training for me in particular. It's just going to try and replicate my voice. Ready to run it? Okay. Press the little button, and it says speak into the microphone with duration 7 seconds. And I'll mention John and say John was a good man, and hopefully it'll say something positive about John. It says speak into the microphone with duration 7 seconds. And I'll mention John and say John was a good man, and hopefully it'll say something positive about. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm happy with that recording. So then it will send the generated transcription to a service, and it'll get a continuation. And what's the continuation?
I'm not saying John was perfect, but he was a good man.
Okay, so the continuation is not very it's not particularly unexpected. And we'll see if it replicates his voice. Speak into the microphone with duration 7 seconds. And I'll mention John and say John was a good man, and hopefully it'll say something positive about. I'm not saying John was perfect. He was a good man. So that sounds something like me, apart from the static. We believe that we're hitting the upper and lower bounds for what the Raspberry Pi can output. I think it's excessively loud, so we're hitting analog limitations. But apart from that, we are very happy with our project. It's the result of 4 days' work, and we've stitched together 3 different servers, 3 different neural networks, 2 different two servers that are custom, and have integrated hardware into the project as well.
Okay, that's all. Bye, thank you for watching.